Hello and welcome to Monica's Expressive Creations. I am Monica, the creator, and I just like to thank everybody for joining me today. Today we are going to be working in Payhip. So I am adding a new product. It is going to be a teacher calendar, and I just wanted to walk you through the steps if you are new to Payhip or you want to sell your products on a website. This is one that I use. So let's get started. So this is our page right here with all of our products. I'm going to go to add a new product, and this is going to be a digital product. So we're going to click here where it says digital product, and then we're going to upload our product file. So I'm going to click on that. And then I am going to go into my documents, my downloads, and I am going to look for that file. And let's see if I can find it. Maybe I didn't save it. So let's go into Canva. And this is what I want to put in there. So I'm going to hit share, download. I'm doing PDF standard. And we are going to download this. And we're just going to say teacher calendar link page. And we're going to save that. And then we're going to go back in here. Back into the downloads. Oh, I did have it saved. Okay, so we're going to click on that. And that's going to be a PDF. I'm also going to do this as a PNG in case anybody wants it as a PNG. So we're going to name it Teacher Calendar PNG, and we're going to hit save. Then we're going to go back in here to upload another file. Go into your downloads, click on the PNG, and open that. Then we need a title. So for a title, I am going to type in let's do a new chat. What should I name my teacher calendar? Making it SEO optimized. So these are some of the names that it's given. And it says what they would use would be Teacher Life Planner and Calendar 2027 or Organized Teacher Calendar. Monthly inspiration for teachers. These are clear, searchable, tells 26 inspirational quotes, the Inspired Teacher Calendar. I like the Inspired Teacher Calendar, so we're going to copy that. And then we are going to add that as our title. Now I am doing a launch price of $12.99. So we're going to add that. Then we're going to upload our product image. So I'm going to go see where I have it listed. teacher calendar mockup, calendar mockup image for Payhip. So you always want to name your products, what it exactly is, so that you don't get confused. Sometimes I end up naming it similar and then I'm like, is this what I wanted? So I am going to look for the other image. Was that the one? I'm not sure if this is the one. So let me see. Let me just click on this one and see what it gives me. Nope, that's not the one. So I'm going to hit remove and let me go back into one of my old chats. So I pay for Chat GPT, which is nice because it will go back to what you had talked about with it. And I think I'm going to use this image. So we're going to save this image as Payhip image for product. And we're going to save that. Then we're going to go back into here. Go into your downloads. Payhip image for product. So now it gives me that so they can see exactly what they're getting. And then we want to create a description. So create a description. Should we go into the last chat? Hold on. Okay. I plan to use the Inspired Teacher Calendar 2027 as my title. Make a description for the product to use in Payhip. Make it SEO optimized. I think that's good enough. And then you just want to read it and make sure that it says everything that you want, that it has everything you are actually giving them. So it says 26 inspirational teacher themed photos, which let me make sure, yes. Monthly calendar pages, easy to print. Instant download, get your copy, purchase here. Okay, I want to add let's add to the what's included section. They receive 25 photo images plus cover image, 12-month calendar from August 2026 to July 2027, plus an additional 12 months. I know I'm misspelling additional 12 months of undated calendar pages. So now it will redo everything. So 25 inspirational teacher themed photo pages featuring motivational quotes, 1 professionally designed cover page, 12-month dated calendar, 12 additional undated monthly calendar pages, 50 total pages of printable content, high quality, spacious monthly planning layouts, instant digital download. Okay. No physical product will be shipped. Okay, so I like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight down to here because we know where it's available at. We're going to copy that, and then we are going to go into this description and paste. And then I want it visible, and I want to put it in my digital products collection. Advanced options, I am going to do automatically subscribe customer to mailing list, and I'm going to add my products. And then this is your link, so you can copy your link and you can paste it other places. So say I want to copy this, and then I can go into show me my product page, and then this is what will be shown to anyone who goes in here, and they can see everything that is included with images that are in the actual calendar, along with the undated and dated images and the description. So that is how you create a listing for Payhip. And you can also run specials if you wanted to run a special. Right now, I do have some specials going on. So if I go into my customer mode and we go to the store, you can see here there's a sale here, and it will list on sale. So all my faith-filled journals are on sale right now. They were $18.99. They are now $14.99 for the weekend only. And then my Rooted in Faith is on sale for $20, and they were $22.50. Only because these are more guided note pages. They're not just line pages. So I put a lot more into that one. So that's why the price is a little bit higher. And then we also have our Father's Day chip bags and some other products. So you can always run a sale if you want. And I can show you how you would run a sale. You want to go back into creator mode. You want to go into your marketing, and you want to go to run sales. So you would click on run sale, and then you would click on run new sale. Then you could check which items you want to go on sale. Now you can do it by percentage discount or by a fixed amount. So you can take $2 off, $3 off, and then you would add your start and your end date. And once the sale is over, it will go back automatically to regular price. So I hope that helps you. If you are new to Payhip and want to learn, you can check out some of my other videos as I create more on Payhip. And I also create videos on Canva, and I also show you how to make journals and put them together. So if this is something that interests you, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.